Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be taking you through a quick and easy method of making your own closet rod. So I'm in a closet build right now. I'm building a portable closet, and I was thinking about getting some closet rods, but they can get up to like $15 for a 96-inch rod. So I decided to make one of my own with 2x2s, and the only thing you'll need for this project are a 2x2 and a router. Obviously the router bits can get quite expensive and not everybody has them, so these are the two things you'll need. You'll also need some glasses and a respirator because a router puts out a huge amount of sawdust into the air and you do not want to be breathing that in. But I'll take you through a quick and easy way of building your own closet rods, your own curtain rods. It's cheap, it's easy. Hope you guys enjoy. Here you go. So for this specific project, as you guys could see, I used my Ryobi router and I threw the largest roundover bit I had on there. And in this case, the bit was 3/4 inches tall, and we had a radius of roughly half an inch, or exactly half an inch actually. And then the diameter of the bit was 1.5 inches. I'll try to include an image for you guys of the actual bit size. But as you guys can see, we're running through this quite quickly, and we were throwing off a ridiculous amount of sawdust because we were taking off quite a bit of wood. And as you guys could see, my router tripped up a little bit. When you have a crack in your wood, try to go with the crack instead of against it, because you catch on the crack and then the blade just starts tearing off wood in an unsmooth fashion, so you definitely don't want that. So I had to go back and forth a couple of times to get through that crack, but other than that, it turned out really nicely. Try to get a stable surface, throw it on there. I threw it on a sawhorse. It would have been nicer if I had clamped it on, that way I wouldn't have had to hold it with my hand, but even still, it turned out pretty damn good. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video, and if you do, hit that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell to get notified when I post.